Hello friends, if you have this particular research kit, if you are a beginner in the research, that will be very useful to you. I am going to discuss certain important things you need to possess in that, you need to add into that research kit, and that will help you a lot. First of all, the first thing you need to have is top 10 cited research paper in your area. Number one, you need to search the paper which has top citation, more number of citation in your field, top 10 cited papers in your area. Second thing, top 10 authors, those who publish, keep publishing or already published more papers in your area, you need to have. First one is top 10 cited individual papers. Second thing, top 10 authors you need to select based on the quantum of publication they have done in the respective field. Third important thing is top 10 research journals in your field. See, if you take for these things, for instance, let me give an example. If you work in finance business in the MBA department finance, you need to have top 10 papers in the finance, basically based on the sector you select, based on the different there may be many authors, they may keep publishing, but you need to identify top 10 authors in that way. And top 10 journals, why it is essential? Because those are the journals which you will get many inputs. So the all top-notch quality papers will come from that journals only. So you need to have top 10 journals. Next important, fifth important thing is top 10 important books in our research field. See, first one, I have talked about the top 10 cited papers, top 10 authors, top 10 journals, then top 10 books in your field. There may be many books, but you don't need to read every book, just you can select top 10 books. Then later, you need to have top 100 research papers or most important 100 research papers in your field. You need to have all these things in your particular research kit. The last one, already I told you that important top 10 people in the international level, top 10 authors, then you need to have top 10 authors in your own country. See, for that matter, if you live in Indonesia, so you need to know who are the researchers or the top 10 researchers in your field in Indonesia. If you are from China, you need to identify from China. If you are from India, you need to identify from Indian researchers. And another important thing is top 10 institutes or university where the research is happening on your field. Because not everybody will be working on your field. So certain important institutes are there. So in that case, you rank it top 10 institute you need to know. And in case you work on the science field or engineering field, even if it is very laboratory specific research, means you need to know top 10 research laboratories where the research is working on in your field. So these are the things, if you have it in you have to make a database on all these things, and that will help you a lot to get a holistic, comprehensive understanding about your research. Then later you will refer it, and obviously one by one you will know, and you read it and you take notes and you can go further. So first thing, you should invest quality time to understand all these things. And how can you create these kind of database? You can use the databases available already, Scopus databases, Web of Science, Google Scholar or JSTOR. If you go to these databases, if you simply give the keyword search, if you use the keyword search with the author name and the field name and the year thing, you can use all Boolean operators. There are certain symbols using double quote or and include inclusion symbol, exclusion symbol, all these things. Using that you can search it. If you do not know, you go to my channel, go to the playlist free research resources. In that channel, I have given how to use different keywords to search. You can use that, you can identify all these things. If you get it, this will be definitely will give you, first thing, it will boost your morality and you will get a great confidence, and you can kickstart your research with this research kit. If you find it useful, share it to your friends. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye.